Are you looking for the best vacuum for dog hair and pet hair? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose vacuum for dog hair and pet hair with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right vacuum for dog hair and pet hair. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Shark Upright Vacuum. Considered as the best shark vacuum for pet hair, the Navigator is a handy tool for removing not only pet hair but anything else that can get within its powerful suction. It's got all the things you're looking for in a portable and powerful vacuum cleaner for pet hair. The canister can be easily detached from its vacuum head, instantly turning it into a portable and lightweight solution for all of your cleaning needs. There's no need to be carrying both the canister and the base. Reaching for the toughest spots is easy with its extra long hose and cord. It even comes with a dedicated brush roll shut-off button to allow you seamless versatility in cleaning between hard and carpeted floor surfaces. There's no need to fumble with removing anything at all. No wonder they call this the best shark vacuum. Number 2. Hoover Wind Tunnel. The Wind Tunnel A70400 by Hoover is one of the most popular vacuum cleaners for pet hair at the moment. And it's no surprise, as it's not only lightweight and easy to move around, but boasts a wind tunnel technology that vacuums all kinds of debris with ease. Thousands of dog and cat hair on your carpet and stuck inside it? No problem. The Hoover A70400 is sure to remove it all in no time. The vacuum is ultra powerful, super easy to maneuver, and is of high quality. It can easily clean carpets and rugs, under the furniture itself, stairs, upholstery and more. Best of all, there's no bag, only the dirt cup, which can be emptied with a push of a button. Number 3. Junkie RoboVac Dog Vacuum. If upright vacuums are not your thing, give RoboVac by Junkie a try. This modern device practically does everything by itself. You don't have to hold it, maneuver around the furniture, or even be in the same room while it's cleaning your house. You do, however, need to program it and get out of its way while it's vacuuming. Of course, you can also manually control the RoboVac with a remote controller. This way you can choose its cleaning path, preset a cleaning time, etc. The RoboVac's boost technology makes it super powerful, able to suction debris, dirt, and stuck pet and human hair with ease. On the flip side, since this is a robotic vacuum with no feet, it cannot clean your stairs and furniture. What it can do, and exceptionally well at that, is clean entire rooms of dog hair and leave them spotless with no or minimal supervision. A real contender for our best Hoover for pet hair. Number 4. Hoover Wind Tunnel 2. Another solid contender in our pet vacuum reviews. The Wind Tunnel 2 Whole House Rewind is one of the most powerful pet vacuum cleaners on the market. With a multi-cyclonic technology, an extended cleaning reach, and an advanced allergen block tech, this vacuum is great for cat and dog owners, as it's sure to suction stray and stuck in the carpet hairs with ease. There is also an odor-absorbing carbon and pet turbo tool which make removing stubborn pet hair a piece of cake. This vacuum cleaner also comes with a multi-floor brush that can be rolled on and off for optimal carpet and hard floor cleaning. As a bonus, the 25 feet power cord quickly and automatically retracts in just a few seconds. Number 5. Black Plus Decker. Affordable and handy, the Black Plus Decker vacuum is cordless, incredibly easy to use and powerful. Lightweight and slim, this vacuum is perfect for quick and easy cleaning, just as it's for thorough, deep cleaning. With a long battery life, you don't have to worry about constant charging. This handy little vacuum uses a smart charge tech that allows it to use up to 50% less energy and charge only when necessary. Importantly, the Black Plus Decker is easy to empty, and the dirt bowl and filters are entirely washable. One of the best handheld vacuums for pet hair, debris, and dirt. This tool is not only great at what it does, but is actually fun to use.
So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.